Avocado.
Avocado, bro. What is it?
Yan.
Hey!
You
Where's
like
the
it?
avocado? Right here.
There, oh.
Ito?
Yeah.
I cannot reach it. Ito, mama. Ito, mama. Ito.
Yeah.
But this is like this. It's like
No, that one is papaya.
But it's like avocado. It's like avocado also.
Ah. Singit pa siya eh. Singit daw siya. You like it, baby? Avocado. Sairin natin kay
Wow.
Sayang. We have to put this one the milk first.
But it's like a ice cream because we make it like Mama La make ice cream for that.
Apaw na. Yummy.
Lush. Nani?
Hi, hello.
Wow. Oh, what is that? Oh no. Huh? No. Oh no, the boat! The boat is afire!